Safe Animal, a psychosocial support activity for kinder to grade 3. Notes for facilitator. Through this activity, learners will be able to express what makes them feel safe because children naturally use symbols to reflect their inner lives. The use of an animal that may reflect their experience is used in this exercise. Recovery objective: establish a sense of safety, develop self awareness and self expression, and encourage connection with others. Learning objective: improve fine motor skills, explore resourcefulness and ingenuity. Materials needed: paper, coloring materials, other available materials that can be used for the animal's habitat, scissors, and glue. Duration 60 minutes. Activity space: on the floor, around the big circle, or spread out individually. This may be done outside. Groupings: individually, but within a bigger group circle inside or outside the classroom, or in their seats in class. Let's start. Good day, class. Today, we are going to draw. Imagine you're in your home and you come upon an animal that makes you feel comfortable and safe. What would that animal be? Now that you have identified your animal, let us have the following instructions. Number one, you have to get a sheet of paper. Number two, you are going to draw the animal that you love, which makes you feel safe. Then, give your animal a name. You have 10 minutes to draw and create. You may also color your drawing. Then, what you're going to do is draw a habitat for your safe animal. Where is a safe place for the animal to live? What can be in the animal's habitat that can make it feel safe? You can be as creative as you like. Like, for example, a fish living in a house or a horse living in the ocean. Then relate things that can also make you feel safe. Now, under your drawing, write down what your safe animal can do that makes you safe from threat and danger in your environment. Like, for example, safe animals with superpowers. Now, what about your animals? Now, let's proceed to sharing. Who can tell us the story of his or her animal? What is his or her name and where does he or she live? Who are his or her animal family or animal friends? What is the home or environment like for the animal that makes him or her feel safe? When you shared about what your animal can do to feel safe, how did it feel to know that? What did you feel? Now, we are going to discuss about the importance of safety and the steps that you can take or you can do when you don't feel safe in your bodies or in your environment. Thank you so much for your sharing. Now, let's proceed to our discussion part. You know what, class? The most important thing to know to feel safe is that you need to run to safety in case of physical safety and find an adult. In case of emotional unsafety or unsafety in your bodies, we are here to support you. You need to tell an adult you trust at home or in school when you do not feel safe in your bodies. Do you have any questions? Thank you so much for your cooperation.